Roundabout that side
Round.
So where is the new wing and the old wing?
This one is the new wing. That one old wing.
But most of the people drop their side. So far.
This is old wing and also called east wing.
So just outside?
Yeah, this outside is okay. Alright, you. Okay.
Thank you. Wow, DHL here, the environment not bad. Not hot and then got nice view also, but no amoy. Wow, but I don't know got booking or not if I come here. Sharkberry, I feel more higher percentage compared to other places because it's a shop area not mall and not residential. Residential area is like this hour siapa mau keluar mau pergi mana. So it's like a bit less lah. If shop lot area is like got people in out lor. Then never mind I come over Sharkberry there because here I feel very comfortable. Stop here got space to stop.
Bro, kami stop makan for a while, bro. Then hungry lah.
I makan already. Only you ask for makan. Where you want to eat? Sharkberry.
Wait, bro, I come to you first.
You come to me here nothing to eat one more. I drive out already. I also don't know where to go now.
Then we go to domain 1, bro. Domain 1. Yeah, you drive up slowly towards domain 1. I follow at the back.
I now at the traffic light there. Turn right will go to the Tanya there lah. I can U-turn anytime now lah.